I'm gonna attempt to repair the garage door opener button. It's just over time you have to press it really hard and it's really inconsistent if it works or not. But if you press the other button, it just lights up with the same amount of effort. So didn't really find a lot of material online for it. I could buy a used review mirror. They run about 50 bucks, but you don't know where it came from and if the problem would persist in someone's used review mirror. Looks like a new review mirror would cost about $600 or $700, and that's a lot of money to spend just to fix a garage door opener. Now, my gut tells me that the problem is probably related to like a failing TV remote control button. So I'm actually gonna attempt to take it apart and see if we could just repair it using those techniques. I found the easiest way to do it is to I think the easiest way to get this open, and there doesn't seem to be any videos about this, is to try to just get a flat screwdriver, get enough leverage in that you could put this plastic wedge in and just pop one. As soon as you pop it, the rest of it should just come off, which is what I've done here. And just slowly loosen it up. And of course, you want to go slow, because anytime you rush anything, it only leads to something. Again, what I found is just slowly, really flat screwdriver, just slip it in, get enough leverage in that you could put a prying tool, plastic prying tool in, and just undo the first clasp, and the rest should just come off. Okay, now that I've disassembled the part, I think there's a you could undo the buttons right here. Just press on this. This pops right out, and you got 1, 2, and 3. It's a circuit. Now, from everything I read online, nobody's done this, but this should be very similar in that you should be able to just simply clean the circuit. It's with years of use with a little isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip. Just give it a good rub, get all the gunk off of it that that kind of keeps it from completing a good circuit. Okay, this thing does pop out, I think, so I could just do that, but I don't want to risk tearing anything. So let me see. Yep, it comes right off. Okay, this is the circuit. Alcohol, give it a good rub. And this is kind of what you do to get a remote control working again. I want to plug it back in. Okay, now the button, the light for this button is here. I'm going to press the second one because I know that works. See, it goes on. I'm going to press the first one. Oh, it works. You can hear the garage door going. All right, Eureka. Just saved you from having to spend $1,000 to replace this. And I could guarantee you the dealer is not going to simply clean this for you. You're going to have to do it yourself. And it's a very friendly do-it-yourself project. All you need is a little patience. It's not overwhelming. But I am disappointed with how BMW designed this. I think they could have put an actual button that would not degrade over time. So best of luck to everyone. Okay, bye-bye.